Hi guys! Dito po tayo ngayon sa Foodie Japanese Grill Restaurant. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-try dyan, kumain po kayo dito. Sobrang sarap po. Bali, pangalawang beses po na namin dito sa restaurant na ito.
Yummy! Kuya Teo and Daddy! Food is here! I know! Food is here! Oh, rice! You want your rice? Please? Aw, thank you, Daddy!
You need to eat your breakfast cookie. Breakfast cookie.
Okay, let me see how you practice your chopstick. Good job! That's how I eat. Yummy! Have to use chopstick. Oh, look! Oh, good job! See? Did you see that? Good job! One more. Show it to Dad. Eating rice with my chopstick. Good job, Bella.
Guys, scan lang po natin yung barcode. Tapos, yun, lalabas na po yung menu. At tapos, yung price. Kung lunch po, mas mura. At saka dinner, okay pa naman yung price. Pero nagtitipid kasi, kaya lunch na lang. At saka, eat all you can po. Pag hindi nyo po kayang ubusin, ay magbabayad po kayo ng extra. Kaya dapat, kailangan yung kayang-kayang ubusin. Salamat po sa panonood. Bye! See you next time!
Finish eating.